quickly complete my zkPass KYC attestation together. So, and the supported centralized exchanges are Binance, Coinbase, OKX, Bybit, and KuCoin. So let's get started. Let's do this together. So okay guys, so now join or sign in with external wallet. So, and I believe for you to be at this stage, definitely you must have carried out the first two activity, which is a claim test and also to create to sign up. So definitely you should have done that by now. So if you've not done that, kindly watch the other video I uploaded so that you can get to know what you're up to. So I'm going to log in right now. So I'm clicking on desktop and I'm connecting with my MetaMask extension. Okay, so all right, coming. All right, so now I am logged in. So I need to add it. Click here for the network details if you want. So I want to add to my MetaMask directly. Okay, so approved. So now I need to relaunch. They have to actually get to see whether it's been added. Okay, so since it's been added already, so now you have this. So now click on settings so that we can complete the attestation together. Okay. Alright, so now scroll down. Here you have this. So you partnered with zkPass for you to do this. So, and before you get started, you must put this in place. So you see this zkPass Transgate browser extension, you have to set it up. So that's what you have to do first. So if you click on it now, that will take you to Chrome Web Store and click on Add to Chrome. So add as extension to your Chrome. Alright, so it's installing already. Okay, so that's done. Alright, so it's added. So if you click on it, you can have this. Okay, now let's go back. So if you don't want to install the browser extension, you will be prompted to use the zkPass Transgate mobile app. So if you want to use this also, but I think it's currently not working, so you should just focus on using this browser extension. So let's get started. Click on begin KYC. So I hereby attest, I understand. So if you're making use of Binance also or Bybit, either of the 5, so you can just pick any of them. So let me pick Binance. Okay, so just make sure that you're already logged in into your Binance account or your Bybit account in the browser that you're using. So you get that. So once you click on that, it will take you automatically to where you need to pass your KYC verification, just as you have it here on my screen. So when you successfully log in, click the start button for you to actually finish your verification. Do you get that? So click on start. It's connecting the zkPass node to actually authenticate your account based on your Binance profile. So depending on which of the cryptocurrency exchange platform you're using, so it's working on it already. So you are going to wait for it to finish. Alright, so the program may take a while to run, verifying proof. So now it seems it's already finished. So KYC attestation completed. So you can see attestation is complete. You get that? So that's just all you've got to do. That's all you've got to do. So and that's all. And if you have not actually added your wallet, make sure you go and do that and ensure that you use the same wallet you used for the Sepolia activity. For the Sepolia account, that's the same wallet you are submitting at your destination withdrawal address. If you don't know how to go about that, kindly check my channel for a video that I uploaded the last time. You're going to definitely get to do it. Alright guys, I think I will have to end this video here. Please kindly share this video with as many people as possible, and also kindly subscribe to this channel for more interesting updates. Until next time, this is FinTech Space with Team Biz. Bye for now.